This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Schnepper. Welcome home to this spacious, renovated ranch with an open floor plan. New luxury vinyl plank flooring and fresh paint throughout. The large kitchen is an entertainer's dream, opening up to the dining and living rooms and corner bar area. Kitchen features newer stainless steel appliances, 2020, new large sink with garbage disposal, and plenty of counter space. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a second living room space that can be used as an office or playroom. There are newer French doors leading to the sunroom that overlooks the fenced-in backyard. Close to highway, town center, and military bases. For more information, review the details below or contact Amanda Schnepper at 757-918-9566.